Want to make Notepad easier to read or more comfortable to use? Changing the font can help, especially if the default style feels too small or plain. In this guide, I'll show you how to change the font, adjust its style and size, preview the result, and choose settings that work best for you. First, open Notepad and look for the Settings option. In newer versions of Notepad, font controls are available inside Settings. Select Settings, then find the Font section. This is where you can adjust how text appears while you're working. Under the Font section, look for the Font Family option. Select the current font to open the available choices. You might see fonts such as Consolas, Courier New, or other fonts installed on your Windows system. Choose one that's clear and comfortable for your eyes. Next, adjust the font size. If the text looks too small, choose a larger size. If you want more text visible on the screen, a smaller size may work better. Try a few options until the text looks comfortable. Yeah, even a small size change can make a noticeable difference. Depending on your version of Notepad, you may also have a font style option. This can include choices such as regular, bold, italic, or bold italic. Pick the style that fits how you use Notepad. For everyday notes, regular is usually the easiest to read. After selecting your font and size, return to your document and check how the text looks. The change affects the way text is displayed in Notepad, so you can immediately see whether the new settings feel better. If something doesn't look right, just go back to Settings and adjust it again. For long reading or writing sessions, focus on clarity rather than choosing a fancy font. A simple, readable font at a comfortable size is usually the best choice. If you work with code or technical text, a monospace font can also make characters easier to distinguish, and that's how you change the font in Notepad. Open Settings, find Font, choose your preferred family and size, and adjust the style when available. Once you find a setup that feels comfortable, you can make Notepad much easier to use. So experiment with a few options and keep what works for you. Thanks for watching.